How do I use this app? Ugh, TikTok is so frustrating. Wait, why was that banned? Yep, there goes my views. Okay, I need some help. How do I actually grow on TikTok in 2022? Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and I love sushi, I love sleeping, and what's something else that starts with S? Oh, I also love snickerdoodle cookies. Go ahead and comment down below something that you absolutely love. I love getting to know you guys. And today we are going to chat about TikTok and how on earth you actually grow on that platform. Now this advice, it's coming from a real human. I know. Shocker. I'm an ordinary Joe Schmo who's also working to grow on TikTok. And you might be wondering why I'm telling you this, because you could hear that I'm not a quote unquote
expert.
And peace out. And if you want to do that, that's cool. I appreciate you being here for the first couple seconds. But what I have done is a hella ton of research. So basically this video is the Cliff Notes version of hours and hours spent watching other people talk about TikTok and doing a bunch of testing of my own on TikTok as well. And can I just say for a moment, this might seem a little random, but I feel this is really, really important to share. The amount of followers you have on TikTok or the amount of views a video does or does not get does not determine your worth. I know it's amazing to have those crazy numbers on social media, and it might open a few doors and maybe a window over there that wasn't open before, but you are still just as worthy and amazing with 1 million followers as you are with 10 followers. So while the numbers are sure nice, just remember it's not everything. With that being said, here are my 5 biggest tips to implement if you want to grow on TikTok in 2022. And what's awesome is none of these tips include posting 6 times a day or shaking your booty on TikTok. When it comes to TikTok, any type of content has the ability to do well on the platform. So that's a relief. Whatever you want to create content about, I am 99% sure that there is a space for you on TikTok. Unless, of course, you're creating content that blatantly goes against TikTok's policies. And I know there's definitely some of you out there who've gotten your videos banned or taken down for no apparent reason. Okay, basically what I'm trying to say is there are endless possibilities for the type of content you could create on TikTok. Please don't come for me. So it's not actually about the topic of your videos, but it's how you present it. And this incredible 3-step formula has proven to be extremely successful not only on TikTok, but on other social media platforms as well. So take notes. Okay, are you guys ready for this? You want to make sure that you're creating videos that have some sort of a hook, a story, and an offer. With the hook, you want something that's going to catch people's attention. Loud noises! Or spike their curiosity within the first few seconds of your video. The hook is what gets people to stop that endless scrolling and actually watch your content. Then you want to tell some sort of story with your video. And yes, you can absolutely tell a story in just 10 seconds. Then at the end of your videos, you want some sort of offer or call to action. This can be encouraging people to follow, clicking the link in your bio, donating to your favorite charity, checking out your YouTube channel. The options are endless. It's really easy to get caught up in the TikTok. Yeah, but this method has been proven to work over and over and over again. So if you can start implementing this 3-step formula into every single one of your videos, you're going to grow, my friend.
Are you sure about that?
And if you don't believe me, go find some TikToks that are doing really well and see if you can identify the hook, the story, and the offer. My friend, if you are working to grow, I highly recommend using hashtags. Now, I actually did a video about my research regarding TikTok hashtags, and I actually share my best strategies when it comes to that. So you can go ahead and check out that video. I can't remember which corner it is. But the reason why I highly recommend using them is because hashtags help TikTok understand what audiences to push your content to. All I'm gonna say is if you're working to build an audience, use hashtags. I'm not going to tell you to pick a niche in this video. I think that phrase, pick a niche, gets overused a lot, but at the end of the day, it's about having content that people know what to expect from you, and it doesn't have to be just one thing. For example, I know this one stay-at-home mom, she gets up and she makes her coffee on TikTok every single morning, but she also shares several other videos of what she packs her kids for lunch every day. You could be really into sharing your fitness journey, but maybe you also love knitting. People kind of freak out just a little bit if you tell them that they have to be just one thing. And I also think that is unrealistic because there are so many different things that make us who we are. But when it comes to deciding what you are going to post on TikTok, I would definitely recommend making sure there is some consistency so you can create that familiarity. Make your content familiar to your audience. I might have just had a stroke on camera.
Get some help.
Now, let's talk about posting. Pick an upload schedule that works for you so you can stay consistent. Consistency is seriously the name of the game. And obviously, the more you post, the higher chances you have of getting discovered, getting more views, and more followers. But do some testing and see what's going to work for you. I mean, if you can seriously handle posting 6 times a day and being really consistent with that, then by all means, go for it. But
holy bananas,
that is going to be really hard to maintain. So I would definitely recommend focusing on consistency over frequency. After you post to TikTok, engage with those who are interacting with your content. Respond to people's comments, go into their accounts and show them some support, message people, sharing your favorite parts about their content. There's a lot of things you can do. What I will usually do is wait until the day after that I've posted a TikTok before I start engaging with those people who went and engaged with that content, because what that will do is then give them notifications that I interacted with their content, like responded to a comment or liked their video or something, and then that increases the chances of them coming back to my content the next day and maybe watching some more of my videos. Now, if you're not getting hardly any engagement on your videos right now, that's okay. Go and engage with others' content in a very nice and not spammy way. If you're gonna go and be a hater and actually take time out of your day to go and put someone else down, then peace out. There's not a place for you here. But seriously, if you're not getting any engagement, go and find 5 TikToks every single day and go and comment something that you love about the video. It's that simple. People have the chance to go and like your comment on other people's videos, and if they like it enough, they might want to hop over onto your account and watch some of your content. But it also gives you a chance to just go and pump up other people and maybe have a chance to make some new friends on social media. Now, this is not so much a strategy tip, but more so a shift in focus. Now, I seriously don't think that this gets talked about enough, but growth, it comes and it goes. I call it the TikTok roller coaster. Fun fact, I actually hate roller coasters. And honestly, it's really not that big of a deal if you know it's a thing, but so many creators get blindsided when they get onto TikTok, and you've got to realize that there's a flow. You might have a video that does really well one day, and then the next day, a video might not do so hot. I know it's so tough because you're putting so much time and effort into creating your content, but you can't take it personally. TikTok is not out to get you, so understand that those fluctuations are normal, because so often people will see those, they'll have a video that does awesome, and then the next day their videos are not getting really many views, or maybe the next couple days their videos aren't performing well, and then they'll stop posting on TikTok, thus stunting their growth. So honestly, just take a deep breath and keep focusing on the tips that I mentioned in this video and what you can do to improve your content. So there you guys go. Not sure why I was raising my hand, but I was excited. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And if there was any one of these tips that was kind of like an aha moment for you, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below which tip was your favorite or the most like eye-opening light bulb moment. I hope you guys have such an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.